Hey y'all, Brian Martin, the Bossman here at 4 State Trucks Chrome Shop Mafia, and let me tell you about today's exciting topic. How about coiled air hoses for your trailer? What do you mean you think that's not exciting? It is when you're talking about the Reflexallen brand of coiled trailer hoses. These things are uber premium. You cannot buy a better set of trailer hoses than these right here. What do you say we open them up and check them out firsthand? When you pick up one of these Reflexallen hoses, you can tell pretty quick this is indeed a high quality product. We carry them in the 12-foot length as well as the 15-foot. They're all the black coils with the color-coded molded guards on the ends, both red and blue. Now we also carry these in all black. There's no red, no blue ends if you like that appearance. Number one attribute about these is cold weather performance. You get out there on the job, any of us that have been trucking for any length of time, you get down to temperatures of 0, 5 degrees below, 15 degrees below. Your traditional red and blue coiled hoses are really bad about just snapping off, just due to the sheer cold temperatures, or they'll kink and they're pretty much junk. They're ruined, they never come back to really be safe or usable. These Reflexallen hoses are made out of a special kind of a space-age polymer tubing. First of all, they're not going to crack and snap off at 0, -10, -20. Second of all, at any time during the year, even during the extreme cold, if you kink these things over hard, they actually repair themselves. The kink goes away in 30 seconds or less. So this is called IntelliFlex tubing, and they're actually kink resistant and kink repairing in cold temps. Another bonus of Reflexallen is in the hot temperatures. Go the other way, 105, 110 degrees. When they're hooked up, they don't sag as much. So they're not as prone to sag and potentially rub on the frame cover or deck plate of your truck, which incidentally, we all know is a ticket, is a moving violation at the scale house. So 3-year warranty. Made here in Indiana, Reflexallen. If you're wanting a set of hoses for your truck and trailer that's going to last 8 and 10 years, maybe longer, think of Reflexallen. We carry them here at the store. We've got them on our website. You can see the whole line of Reflexallen hoses. Just go to 4statetrucks.com. Right there on the homepage, put in the search bar, Reflexallen hoses. And it's going to bring up all the different lengths, the different colors, and your different options. So I hope you've enjoyed this little chat we've had together. We're going to be doing this from time to time. So if you want to subscribe, go ahead and do so, and we'll see you next time.